I'm Darlene Tennis from Casa Q, and today we're going to learn how to make a flower out of cellophane wrap. To get started today, we're just going to need a couple of items: cellophane wrap, zip ties or string, and scissors. Okay, now what you're going to do with your cellophane is you're going to just cut a piece. And cellophane's a little bit different than working with paper because it has a lot of static cling to it. We're going to cut this in half. And we're going to put it in half again, and we're going to cut it. Today I'm using just a pattern. It's eggs, but you really can't tell it at the end. What's great to do is to go to the dollar store or your after holiday sale and pick up some cellophane, because when you're making the flowers, you're just going to get the colors at the end. So it's very similar to making a paper flower. You're just going to grab it, and you're going to go back and forth and back and forth, and you're going to make a little accordion with this, and you gotta hold on to it, because again, unlike making paper flowers, it doesn't stay together. It won't stay folded. So you want to find the middle portion. You're going to fold it like this. Find the middle portion where it's at. And you're going to get your zip tie. You want to make sure the cut parts are facing up, and this is going to be the bottom of your flower. And you got to kind of wrangle with this a little bit more again than paper, because it won't stay still like paper does. It's got a mind of its own. And there we go. So we're going to do it in the middle like that. Now you can cut. We're just going to do little squares on this one, and so that we have some sort of petals on this. And when we're going to just pull this up, and when you do this, you're pulling them apart. So you're pulling it up, but you're really pulling, like you're pulling the two layers apart. And you keep doing this and opening it up, layer by layer. And you have to be careful not to rip it. So there you go. There's a little paper flower, cellophane flower. Again, this is Darlene Tennis from Casa Q. We just learned how to make a flower out of cellophane wrap. We'll see you soon. Hasta pronto.